Can Claude AI make you rich? I believe it can, and I'm building the proof right now. Let me be straight with you from the start, because nobody else is. I'm not rich yet. I'm not going to stand here with a rented Lamborghini and lie to you. What I've actually done is use Claude AI to build 8 businesses in 3 months. Every single one an alternative in a broken billion-dollar industry in Australia. That's the real story, and because it's mine, I think it's a better one. Here's the first thing you have to understand. Claude AI is not a button you press that prints money. If that's what you're looking for, close this video, go watch another one that lies to you. There's 1,000 of them, and they're very entertaining. That's the trap. Lots of flashy stuff, lots of over-the-top stuff. Most people would rather consume content about getting rich than actually use the tools sitting right in front of them. They'll watch 100 hours of it, and they'll never build one thing. I'm the opposite. And it's not because I'm smarter, it's because of how my life's gone and how my brain works. I don't consume, I build. Claude is the most powerful tool I've ever been handed, and I use it like a business partner, not a magic trick. So here's what I actually do. 8 businesses, 3 months, everyone an alternative to a broken billion-dollar industry in Australia. And now I'm doing the part that actually builds the wealth, getting people to know that they exist. Let me show you just 2 of them, so you understand what using Claude AI to build real businesses actually looks like. These are only 2 examples. There are 6 more. Business 1, a recruitment agency, but not the kind that robs everyone. I recruit professional cleaners, in-home child carers, and aged carers. The whole thing is a booking system. Flows that run the entire business online. Customers book, worker gets the job, everyone gets paid, and I'm barely involved once I've built the system. That's not an accident. I built it that way with Claude. Here's how it makes money, and here's why it's fair. I take $20 an hour per person, per shift, flat. The workers earn what they're actually worth. A registered nurse on my platform earns $100 an hour plus. I take my 20. The customer pays $120. Now, watch what a traditional agency does with that exact same nurse. They pay her $45 an hour. They charge the client the same $120, and they pocket the difference. Every hour, forever. I give the worker their full value and still make money on volume. They exploit the worker and call it a business model. That's a broken industry. That's the whole reason I built the alternative. Business 2, completely different world. Art. I built an entire art ecosystem. I call it plate to paddock. Everything in one place. Art suppliers, original art, someone to hang and display it for you. Start to finish, one place. That has never existed properly. Now it does. And it makes money from every direction at once. The artists pay a low membership fee, no commission on their sales. They keep everything they earn, which, if you know anything about how galleries treat artists, is unheard of. The suppliers join and pay to be in the directory. Framers, delivery people, installers. Anyone who touches the art has a category, and if they don't have one yet, I build them one with Claude, same day. And here's the piece nobody else on earth has. I built the grid. Using Claude AI, it's the world's only art protection system that stops your art being stolen by bots and screenshots. Artists have had their work scraped and stolen for years, and everyone just accepts it. I didn't. I built the fix. There is nothing else like it anywhere. So let's go back to your question. Can Claude AI make you rich? I believe it can, but only if you're the kind of person who'll actually sit down and use it. Because here's the truth nobody says out loud. Claude will build you the website, the booking system, the payment flows, the database, the whole engine. It'll do the work of a $50,000 agency for the cost of a subscription, but it will not want it for you. It will not have the idea for you. It will not sit down at 9 at night and push through the errors for you. That part is still you. That part will always be you. That's the filter. That's why most people won't do this, even though the tool is right there waiting. They want the money without the building. And the building is the whole thing. I built 8 alternatives to billion-dollar industries in the time most people spent watching videos about building one. I'm not special. I just did it. I'm not at the finish line yet, but I've built the thing that gets me there, and I'm showing you every step. If you want to see the 6 other businesses, all that I built with Claude AI, all taking on billion-dollar industries within Australia, subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I'm going to walk you through every single one. Can Claude AI make you rich? Ask me again in 12 months. But I've built the machine. Now let me show you how to build yours.